Okay, so I'm going to explain how to find the equation of a polynomial without systems or matrices or anything, and I've only done up to third degree, and I'm sure it can be done above there, but I haven't done that. So this equation, or this series that we had in class, it was n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a of n was 1, 5, 14, 30, and 55. And this was sum of the square numbers. So this is how I learned how to do it, and it does take a little bit of time, but I think it's worth it because it's a nice, easy way, and you don't need a calculator, and it doesn't involve solving 5 different equations or however many. So how you start is you find the first common difference. The first constant difference. But then it's 5, 7, and 9. So then your third is 2 and 2. And this is first, second, and third. So because it's the third difference is constant, it's a cubic function. And I learned this, I don't know why it is, but this number here is 6n, or a. So a equals 1/3. So the equation is y equals 1/3 n cubed plus, we'll figure it out later, but it is 1/3 n cubed. So how I go from there is, try to keep that in there, I write out 1/3 n cubed. So for this one it's 1/3, this one it's 8/3, 27/3, 64/3, and 125/3. And then I subtract this from the original sequence. So a sub n minus 1/3 n cubed. So you get 2/3, that's 7/3. Okay, 15/3. And then that's 26/3 and 40/3. Okay, so now we have this, and we've taken out the cubic component of our sequence. So now we analyze this like we did our original and. We look for the constant difference. 5/3. This one is 8/3. This one is 11/3. And this guy is 14/3. And then the second difference, because this part should be, well, hopefully it's quadratic, 3/3 or 1, 1, 1. So this number here is 2b. So the equation is y equals 1/3 n cubed plus 1/2 n squared. So now we go in and we write out half n squared. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1/2, 4/2, 9/2, and 16/2, and 25/2. So then you subtract that from this guy right here. So a sub n minus 1/3 n cubed minus half n squared. So it's 2/3 minus 1/2, that's 1/6. 7/3 minus 4/2 is 14/6 minus 12/6, which is 2/6. And then this is 36 minus 27, so that's 3/6. And then this guy's 4/6, and that's 5/6. So then constant difference there, the first constant difference is 1/6. And this is equal to c. So y equals 1, that looks like it says so. 1/3 n cubed plus 1/2 n squared plus 1/6 n. So then we do the same thing. 1/6 n equals 1/6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6. And then I think you see what will happen, but when we subtract this from this, the answer is 0. So d equals 0. So our final equation is y equals, or I guess that's an, but 1, lol, 1/3 n cubed plus 1/2 n squared plus 1/6 n. There. And we didn't need a calculator or system equations, just about 15 minutes and a whole lot of patience. So yeah.